Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your VW Golf key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a prying tool and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. It's a quick and easy process, and having the right items ready makes it even smoother. Let's get started by preparing your workspace. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring loop. Insert your flathead screwdriver or prying tool into this slot. With a gentle twist or pry, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to notice which way the positive side is facing, usually marked with a plus sign. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves, ensuring all the internal components are properly seated. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Now, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your car doors. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.